Hey everybody, my name is Lucy Karen Clay and I am a Sanctity of Life advocate, and I'm coming to you right now because just look at this. This is restoring the culture of life, and I want to look at this gorgeous sky. Right now I want to tell you that there is a very important federal bill that's laying right now in front of 23 senators. And as gorgeous as the sky is, this is September the 17th, and 23 senators are right now looking at a bill that could very well legislate assisted suicide. And in the middle of a gorgeous evening, you have a chance to express your voice. So if you'll click on the link, it'll explain everything. It looks like a very innocent bill, and it is not. I urge you to check this out. It is Senate Bill 693. Thank you so much. And again, my name is Lucy Karen Clay. I've been working with pro-life groups since 2013, when a man in Nashville, Tennessee lost his choice to live. So this is very serious, and please look into this. Senate Bill 693, oppose that bill and protect the choice to live. Thank you.